Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this 3D model. This is the actually third angle projection drawing. This is the top view, front view, bottom view, and this is the section at AA. And this is the auxiliary view. Because this is the in this way, it is difficult to take the direction. So I have taken that this is the auxiliary view. And this perpendicular, the object is being seen from this perpendicular direction. Okay, this is the auxiliary view, and this is the detailed view at the here. CC here you will find this one. First I will start from the base plate here. Front portion, front view. This plate size is 100 into 76 and front profile is this one. Height 5 mm, 8 mm, and this one. I will show. I will create first this bottom plate. Okay. File, new, part. Part is the default template. Okay. This one. Now first I am taking the background plain white. Plain white is very useful in order to make the demarcation purpose, and the unit system you can take. I am taking mmps gram second. Okay. And I am taking. You can select any plane. The front at the as per model front plane is suitable. Okay, this one you can take any plane. Front plane. This one is sketch, and I am draw. Always try to start the drawing from the origin in order to make the fully defined sketch. I am taking from here. This vertical. This one. This. Now you take away the cursor. Now come back. In this way you make this profile. First go ahead and then come back. Now this one, and this and this one. Right click, select. Okay. Now I give the dimension. Total distance is, this is 100 mm. 100 mm. Okay. Now this height is 5 mm as per drawing. This radius is 5 mm. 5 mm radius. And this height from here to here is 8 mm. This one. This height from here to here is 12 mm. Okay. Now you feel sketch is not fully defined. Now from this and this center point, this is 45 mm. Okay. 5 mm, 8 mm, and this one is 16 mm. 16 mm, this distance. Now sketch is fully defined. One more thing, there is a circle here. This one and this dia, all circles are of 5 mm dia. I will show you later. 5 mm, this one. Sketch is our fully defined. 100 now. This is 5 mm, this is 8 mm, this is 12 mm height, 16 mm, 5 mm, this one. You can make, you avoid the zeros option, go document property, dimension, and here you can take zeros, leading zeros, standard, remove, trailing zero, dimension, show, remove, and okay. Now the zero will disappear. Okay. Front, normal, this one. Now I will extrude this. The sketch is fully defined, you will see in the bottom. Now go in the future, extrude boss base. Now I take from condition, I don't want to change from condition. I will from start direction 1. I am taking the mid plane condition. Mid planes and total distance extrusion is 75 mm as per drawing. This one. This means 75 equally divided both sides. So total 75. This one. This is. Now if you see the drawing, this one. This now I will draw this this bottom portion I have drawn. Okay. Now I will draw this circular portion, this circular pipe. Okay. This is at a height of 60 mm. Dia of this one you will see here 30 and 36. Outer is 36 Later on I will extrude cut 30. Okay, first I will, this is at a height of 60 mm. First I will create a plane in order to make this circular profile. Okay, window, part, go future, plane, this one, select this face, and distance is 60 mm, this one, 60 mm, but this is moving downward direction, flips upside, this one, upside, this is okay, and this one. Now select this plane in the future tree manager, sketch, normal, but I don't want from this side, again click normal, I want this side. Okay, draw a circle anywhere, this one, right click, out, take a center line, join this from this center to center, this one, and select this one and make relation horizontal and take the dimension. This die is 76 mm, 36 mm, sorry, 36 mm outer dia, but this distance from here to here is the 45, because this 45 mm is the mid of this one. This is the mid center of this, from here to here is 45 mm. At the center of this one is this one. Now future extrude boss base. Extrude boss base, first change direction. Direction one change, blind condition. Blind, or you can take it up to next. Next, up to next. This one, next means up to next surface. This one up to next surface, and hit right button. Select, hide the plane. Okay, this I have made this one. Now if you see the drawing, this I have made. I have made bottom plate and this circular part I have. You will see here, there are the ribs here. If you see, there are the ribs here, this one. This rib at a height of, the height of this rib is this one, or this distance is 12 mm. If you note, this one I have not shown the this, and this one 6 mm, and this is 12 mm. Actually this rib is this, if you note this one, this is 12 mm. Okay, I will make this rib first. Okay, now window, save a window, part, this one. But first I am not given the fillet here. Fillet, this is 1 mm fillet only, 1 mm, 1.5 mm. I am not provided the fillet here, 1.5. You can draw in the sketch also fillet. Select the edge, this one, and this one, and this one. Also here. Edge, only edge you have to select, this one. This. Okay, this one. Now I will make a first rib here, this one. Front plane, sketch, normal, this one, take a line, draw a line from here to here, vertical, and this one, here, this one. Now select this point, shift key, hold shift key, and if select this outer line, this one. And if you release the shift, this window comes here. This window comes here, you can make relation coincident. Otherwise, you can make the relation from the future tree manager. Okay, sketch is this one. Now this height is 15 mm from here to here, 15 mm. This one. The sketch is fully defined. Future, rib future, this. There are the three options of the rib. This is one sided, this is another sided, this is both sides equally divided, and this distance is 12 mm only. And please check the arrow should come towards this side. This one. I have made the rib. Okay. Now I make this profile now, this time. This portion. This pipe is at an angle of 46 degrees from the center line. Center is from here to here 45, 46. Height is this height is 55 mm. This height is 55 mm. If you note this height from here to here, this is 55 by default. This one, I will make this circular profile with the plate. Okay, plate dimension you will see here. Plate dimension is 46 by 46 square. Okay, 46 inner hole are also 36 and 30 dia. Okay, now I will make this one. This part I will make circular part. This is auxiliary view. In this way you can measure the dimension properly here. You can take the auxiliary view. Okay, now I will make this one. Window part, front plane. Again front plane, sketch, normal. I make the line here from the center point. Center of this one, this and this one. Select both the lines, this and this. Hold the shift key. Hold the shift key. When you release the shift key, this window comes here. Otherwise, you don't release, this will not come. You can make the relation and this construction here. No. Okay, I will make the from here also. This one. If you select both the line, this one, and first, okay, I delete it. I make the actually double. Again, I make the, or you draw the center line from center point, this and this. Right click out. Now, this dimension is 46 degree angle. Okay, and this height from here to here, bottom, this is 55. Sketch is fully defined. Now, I will make a plane here. How? First out of the sketch, then future reference geometry, plane, select this line and point. Now plane will create it. This plane is created. Now select the plane, sketch. I will make the sketch on this. Normal. Okay. Normal, center circle, this one, right click, select this, hold shift key and this, select both the lines. If you release the shift key, this window comes. Then make the relation equal. It means it is square. This one, make another circle, another sketch circle. This one, this dia is 36. This is 36. This one. Now this is the sketch. Okay. Give the dimension normal. This square is 46. This circle I have made. Normal. This is 46 because this is a square. Now make a circle here. Dimension of this 36. This point, shift at this point. Undo. Actually, this is concentric. Out. Select this, shift and this point. Or you make from the here. Fully defined sketch. display, fully defined, selected sketch, select this circle, shift and this circle. All that is calculated. Okay, I make another this one. Sketch is fully defined. Out of the sketch, feature, plane, select this line and this point, this one, and now select this sketch, normal, or you make first center point, this one, this shift and this one, release the shift, make equal, this one, circle, this one. Now dimension, this dimension is 46. Now it is fully defined. You have to take carefully the center, otherwise it will not fully defined. But doesn't matter. This one in this way, normal. Now feature extrude boss base. Because there are the more than one close boundary, so you have to go into this one, selected contour, select this outer square, this one, this outer edge of the square, this one. Now direction is coming toward this side, reverse the direction, first reverse the direction, and thickness of the plate, this is 3 mm, if you see that, right, this one. Okay, now again same sketch, select the same sketch and extrude boss base. This time you select selected contour, this one, select this circle or middle face, this one, select, and now direction, it is going up, reverse the direction, but here you up to body, this one. Which body? This body, this one. Now I have made this one. Okay, this portion, if you see the drawing, I have made this part. This part is made at a height of 55, and this is this one. Okay, now there is a extrude cut portion, or first I provide the fillet here. First now I will make this profile here, this one. You will see detail of this one is here. This is 3 mm, this straight portion, this is 8 mm radius, 5 mm circle. All holes are over 5 mm dia. First I will make this detailed part, this one, here is the blue. Okay, window part. Now select, hide this. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now draw a center line. Center line is very useful in order to allocate the dimensions properly. This one, right click this one, take a line from here, this, take away the cursor. Now it go back, you will find this radius, and this, and straight line, and this join it. Okay, this one. Now select shift, hold shift key, select this line, this center line, this line. Now release the shift, this window comes and make relation symmetric. Otherwise you can make the relation from here. Okay, this one. Now give the dimension. This dimension to this is 3 mm only, and this radius is 8 mm. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Okay, now future extrude boss base. Now condition is here, up to surface, which surface? Sketch is fully defined. Now up to surface. Which surface? This surface. This I have made. Okay, this I have made this one. Now, here is the first I will make the fillets. How I will make the fillet? Fillet, this one. Fillet. I am take the fillet. Suppose I am not taking any fillet here. Okay, I select this option, multi-radius. So what is the advantage of multi-radius? I will show you. Multi-radius place constant rate. This one, first option. Constant radius. This is the variable. This is the face fillet. This is, you have to select 3 sides. But I am selecting this option. Now select the edge. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay, and this edge. This one. This edge. Okay, now you will see some messages are flashing here. So you can change the fillets as per requirement. I am taking this, double click 8 mm, double click 8 mm, double click 8 mm, double click 8 mm. Okay, and double click 8 mm, 8 mm, and this also 8 mm. And this fillet is 6 mm, this one 6 mm, and this is, I am taking 6 mm for example, or 2 mm, you can take 2 mm. I have not shown the fillets actually, this one, and hit right button. This is the fillet. Okay, or you can increase this fillet also, edit feature, and double click on this one and 6 mm, this one. These are 6 mm and the balance are this one. Okay, this one, fillets. And one more fillet, constant radius, this one, I am taking this. If you select one edge, you have to select the edge, this one. Now you will see this option coming. If you select first option, no. Suppose you select one edge, corner edge. This is 8 mm. Suppose I select this one. This option comes. So select first option. You will see all the corners are selected. No. I have wrongly selected. Clear this one. This one first, no, this one, second option you have to select. Please note this thing, all automatically selected, 4 edges are selected. This one 8 mm, this I have made this one. Okay, now I will make the holes. There is a, if you see the drawing here is this die 30 mm extrude cut through all. If you see bottom view, there is a opening here. Okay, first I make 30 mm hole here, this one, extrude cut. Later on I will make hole here 30 mm, extrude cut here, this one. Okay, now window, part, select this face, sketch, normal, this one, bring your cursor on this one, get the center point, this one, right click, this one, smart dimension, 30 mm, this one, future, extrude cut, direction is going. Now take the option through all, this one. Now this is, you will see, whole is created this one. Now same way here, select this face, sketch, normal, circle, you can locate the center point, this one, right click, this is 30 mm. Now future extrude cut through all this one. If you take the section view, you will see. If you take the section view here, this one, you will see here. This is the section view inside. Okay, out of this one. Now I will make the holes. All holes are of 5 mm. First I will make the holes at the bottom plate. This one. These are of, you will see the drawing. These bottom holes 5 mm all. On this are also 5 mm holes here, and one is at center and this one. Okay, there is ribs also. Later on I will create the rib also. Okay, window part, this one, or first I will create the ribs. First I create the ribs here. Front plane, sketch, normal. 9 from here. Center point, this one, and now select this point, shift key and outer line. Only outer line. Carefully note. Now select it. Select and make relation coincident. Sketch is fully defined. Now future, make rib. Direction should go towards downward sides. And this is this middle one. Both sides equally divided. But this distance is 6 mm. This one. This. And one more radius is fillet rib is here. So one front plane is sketch normal. Normal line from end point to this one. This one, right click and normal. Sketch is fully defined because this is coincident on this corner point. Okay, now future rib direction should go towards inside. Flip metal inside. This portion, this one and this one. It's 6 mm. Okay. If you measure this fillet, evaluate, measure this one and this one distance, you will find 6 mm normal distance. Okay, in this way you can measure the thing. Okay, now I will make the holes. First I will make the holes at the bottom plate, then here also make the holes. So with the help of future hole wizard, this one, there are the different hole type. Okay, I am selecting this one. Holes, this is the counter bore holes, this is the counter sink hole, this is the thread hole, this is the plain holes. This one, NC matrix, the various standards here. This one I am selecting NC metric, drill size 5 mm hole. Next condition is up to next piece end of the plate. Don't select this near side counter, otherwise counter sink will create. Okay, please uncheck this one. Position, select this face, normal, sorry, hole wizard, this one, same thing, and position, select this face, normal, this one, bring your cursor on here, center point you will get, bring your cursor, center point you will get, bring your cursor near the arc point, center point will get, right click, select, delete, first delete, again in the sketch you select this point, hole will be activated. Now bring your cursor, otherwise you can tilt and can locate the center point. This one, this holes are created. Now I will create one hole here, same thing, hole wizard, this one, and this same thing, same parameter, ANC metric, drill size, this one, uncheck this one, and condition is up to next. Next means end of the surface. Position, select this face, normal, bring your cursor here, or is center point. You can locate properly this one. This hole is created. Now one hole is here. So hole wizard, this one again, this same parameter. All holes are of 5 mm. Uncheck this position, select this face, normal, and bring your cursor there. This one and this one, and okay, now this is hole is good. Out, edit, this is through, this take is up to through all, and this way through all. Now it will come this way. Here is up to next, and this is up through all, otherwise it will create up to this end. Okay, this through all. Okay, I have created holes. And one thing more, one slot is in this pipe. You will see here, this is slot of 8 mm, 10 mm depth in this one, at the mid portion of this one. I will create this slot here. Window, part, this one, front plane, sketch, normal. I will make a center line here. Center line, this center point, and this one, right click, select, and make a corner rectangle here. This one, select this line, shift this line and this center line, release the shift. This window comes, make relation symmetry. This one, this is 10 mm height. 10 mm height, and this is 8 mm distance. Sorry, 8 mm. This distance is 8 mm as per drawing. Now sketch is fully defined. This one, future, extrude cut. You can make the relation through all both. It's okay. In this way you can. I think I have created all the ribs. Okay. This one you can make. I have completed all the things here. You can apply the material from here also. Right click, edit material. You can apply ASI 304, apply, these are the different properties, and okay, in this way you can apply it, and you provide the colors also from here. Edit appearance, and if you select this one, you provide this one, and hit this one. You can provide the different colors and this one. Just see. We have learned in this feature extrude boss face, extrude cut, rib feature, hole wizard, and different feature we have learned in this exercise. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.